That. Welcome to my office. So I'm going to be heading over to my brother Adam's house. I did pick up a couple new parts for this video real quick that I want to show you guys, but this video is more, you know, of an update video, kind of a fun video, testing some things out. Mishi screwed me over, you know, it was raining yesterday. She started recording me on the fly. Didn't tell me that my hair was like, my hair goes nuts when it gets wet. Ooh, look, Stinger. Should I pull next to him? I don't know, man. Nishi's not wearing a bra.
Shut the fuck up.
Let me show him real quick.
So what? No, you're crazy.
Alright, anyways, we're in an undercover bucket today because I figured this would help with the paparazzi. You know, my YouTube channel. No tinted windows or nothing, dude. So this car is for days like this when it's raining. And,
you're throwing shade at my car. Is that what you're doing?
It's a solid ride. CVT. Watch, this is floored. Oh, I can't even pull out in front of a car. I gotta turn the air conditioner off. Alright, shoot the road. It's floored. Good road, dude. Why are you always putting the camera on me for? Jesus Christ. Because I love you and I want you to be a better videographer. Even though you my shirt up. Look at this, when I put my arm down, this sticks out like this. It makes me look like I'm small.
Oh my gosh,
look,
bro.
It should look like this.
Oh.
Look at that Porsche.
Shut your ego down, okay?
It's not the ego, it's the shirt. Alright, let's hit up Core Life and then go get some groceries. We're gonna meal prep. I'm a little overwhelmed with all the stuff that I gotta do. Ad1 sent me the carbon fiber heat shields. I have to freaking get that video done within 20 days, so I'm not messing around with that. It's like super easy, so I'm gonna knock that out and then focus on the ECU tunes from Lozic. I got so many videos I want to make with the ECU tunes, it's insane. The Borla video is just gonna have to wait, man. I mean, it's almost done, and in my spare time I'll work on it, but it's not a priority. It does sound sick though, man. I kind of wish I would have got it. I could get down pipes though on the MBRP because the ECUs have like a gurgle tune and pops and bangs, so it's gonna be sick. Do this.
Let's do it.
Let me get one revving.
Dude, stop. This is not your car.
You know, it blows the carbon out. It's good on it.
We got people parked next to us.
This guy thinks I want to race him in this car. Well, Lozic will tune it. Lozic freaking tunes tractors. Go to their YouTube channel, dude. They did the last video they uploaded was a John Deere. He's tuning Corvettes, Audi RS7s. Dude is tuning everything. I love that about him. He like drives around South Korea in this huge semi trailer, and it's got freaking dynos on it and inside of it and everything. It's so cool. Good job. Now look, those people just cut in front of us. Are you worried about my park job?
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, that's Mishi. Core Life.
Oh my god.
Hey, I forgot my wallet. She got bags. Yeah, TRD. So my buddy Jonathan, I scratched the rear fender flare with karaoke machine. The front one's 70 bucks, the rear one's like 300. What's the odds of that? I gotta quit clowning you, baby, I'm sorry. You got your stuff together. You got no debt, no car payment, and you got a house, your own house. So.
Damn right.
Yeah.
Stop, don't do that.
I'm trying to get views. My last video already got demonetized. All that was done for free for the people. All right, dude, this is out of hand, bro. $20 a pound. That was like 15 bucks a pound just a few months ago. It's like cheaper to go to Outback Steakhouse and grab a freaking steak. So, inflation. You guys know I'm gonna get them gains. Look at that. Best protein your body could ever use. What's happening? That's the new Mountain Dew. Look at that new carbon fiber. Fire. So yeah, we're gonna try this out. I have a weakness, man. I'm sorry. You know, I'm human. It's absolutely fire. I got it last night, as you can tell. I'm gonna share some with my bro. All right, man. Let me get this stuff out of the car. We'll go up to the condo. Installs, reviews, all that coming on the way. Life of a YouTuber. Look at me, dude. I'm freaking stacked with stuff. We're going with a kind of a carbon fiber look here. It's gray, and then YouTube on the back. I wanted it subtle because the ones that are like super loud, I just hate stickers. So I figured that'd be pretty sick. Let's give that a shot. Should have got a pump before I came over here. Dude, his neighbors probably think I'm about to shoot a porn or something. I got like a drone on me, a gimbal. These girls are walking by like, what the hell is this guy doing? Where's he going? Brother's condo is actually pretty sick, man. Better not hail. Top Golf is over there, actually. Do you guys know about that? Rich beyond. You gotta do your f***ing feet. Yeah, make sure you turn the washing machine up, bro. All right, guys, check out my brother's fragrance collection. I got him this one, Bentley for Men Intense. Ballin' with the Creed though, man. Is that your daily? Dude, you wear this when you're alone, dude. All right, so am I in the frame? All right. Hey, what's up, everybody? Because I kind of want that to be in the background. Dude, your setup's sick as f. Look at this setup, dude. What size are these? 48s?
43s.
43 curves? Yeah. Yeah, dude. You got like the ultimate YouTube setup?
I raise it too.
Yeah, dude. That's a sick ass desk, man. Bamboo.
So you gonna be sitting there? You gonna walk around? So we could raise it.
Let's see here. If I have this. Oh shit. How? Welcome to Twin Turbo. Fucking ads, Adam. You got ads. Actually, I don't want to skip the ads. Real solid intro. I can't even skip the ads. No wonder people get pissed at me, dude. I got too many ads on my videos. Don't skip these, guys. As you can see, the last video is up. Weird, dude. I'm like right there. All right. New video up, guys, right there as you see. Real quick, this video is gonna be short. I have some updates I wanna show you guys. Mishi was recording me yesterday, so I wanna put this clip in because my hair is completely She didn't tell me. So it is raining outside and it goes crazy when it rains. So we got a couple new parts that came in the mail. Adam, check these out, bro. Tell me what you think of these. These are made by Add1, real carbon fiber. We'll get some B-rolls on these in a second, but as you can see right here, stupid easy install. What we're gonna do is remove the ring clamp on the engine intake filter. These are specifically designed for the engine intakes, okay? So we're going to put these right there, and what this is going to do is block that heat, especially on the passenger side where that turbo exhaust manifold is. Stupid hot in there. Super, super awesome. These are so heavy. Get a pump. All right, anyways, so we got that, and guys, I'm all about the details. Check this out. This just came in hot off the shelf. Brand new Stinger logo for the rear. Now, I know some of you guys were like kind of worried about the stencil, like lining these up, because check this out. These are like individual letters. See that, but yeah. As you can see here, these are like individual little letters. This is the matte black one. I know some of you guys were kind of concerned about that, but check this out. We got a stencil. So this is going to help you guys line it up perfectly on the rear. So I'm actually super excited about that, but Guys, I'm selling my GoPro. I put it on Facebook Marketplace. I'll link it down below. Got like $900 worth of stuff. 400 bucks, you can have it. Code Twin Turbo, maybe I'll do $375. You pay for shipping. So that's one other update. This is a heat thermometer, okay? So we're gonna be using this heat thermometer right here. This is my brother's. He let me borrow it. What I was thinking I could do is take some measurements of like the cone filter and see what this may do. I think this will help. I said enough about these. One last thing. All right, man. So guys, just a quick reminder, if you're just coming across my channel, I got a brand new video up. Giveaway. We're doing a 3-banger giveaway. Mile High Stinger from Instagram, subscriber of the channel, donated this. This is a wind booster, which is a throttle tune. I actually really like this thing. I left it on my car. Works great with the JB4 and the TCU tune. He also donated this E-Badge, Engineering of Excellence. And then the other giveaway is the HKS spark plugs. So 3 giveaways, 3 spins, 3 winners. It's all on this video. You gotta go to this video right here, which I'll link right up here. And yeah, that's how you enter, man. Like, comment, subscribe to that video, and in a week or two, we'll do the draw. So, Adam, do you want to say anything?
I like how we have the paper towels right there. Good place to put them.
Real professional, bro. Where?
There, bro.
Where?
By the toaster.
Oh yeah, I mean that's how you live, man. It comes out on camera, bro. You can't hide.
And then the paper's down there.
So leave a comment below what you think of Adam. Man, no, dude, everything's going good, man. I had a couple close calls on YouTube, man. They're trying to demonetize me because, listen, dude, I'm gonna crack jokes and be myself. Like, I know I gotta be professional for these companies and stuff, but like this video right here is specifically for you guys. This video is just straight up about update, you know, trap music, slapping ass, about having a good time and smiling with everything going on in the world right now, dude. And you get off work, the last thing you want is someone complaining or, you know, being all serious. We're having fun. Our cars are awesome. We love our cars. We're all car enthusiasts. Dude, I have met so many cool people that I would have never talked to before through cars. And I just got invited to a awesome 1,000 horsepower supercars, M3s, Lambo. They're meeting up this Sunday at 2 p.m. And one of the guys sent me a request on Instagram. He's a local. And he's like, dude, I was like, man, I know, but I got to do the install for this. I got to do the ECU tunes. And he's like, dude, I'll help you. You see what I mean? He's like, because I told him I want to do the EWGs and map 6, right? To monitor this Lozic tune, even though I trust Lozic. He's like, dude, yeah, I got experience. I've done it before. I'll help you out. And I'm like, I've met a ton of people. So I love this stuff. And I appreciate all your guys' support. Keep leaving comments down below and reaching out to me on Instagram. That's really how I'm connecting with you guys. So good stuff to come. As you see, we got a couple new parts here. I can't get to these yet though, dude. I have to do I'm obligated to do this. Like that's next, and then I'm all over the ECUs. I know you guys want to see the Lozic stuff, dude. That's what's coming, bro. The Lozic is where it's at, man. That's gonna be the super fun content. Probably gonna race some Lambos for pink slips. You know what I'm saying? Adam has the dishwasher running right when I come over and start recording. Yeah, man, that's what it's all about, bro.
So do you edit videos?
Yeah, actually, dude, I get asked this question all the time. Dude, I literally do everything from my iPhone. Everything. Photo editing, my video, YouTube editing, my thumbnails, answering all the comments, doing emails, Instagram, everything is done from the 13 Pro Max. I love to edit. Could you imagine the kind of videos, dude, I could do if I had like the time to like do Final Cut Pro and have a drone and a crew of people? Cause I got these like visions, dude. Man, like whenever I listen to music, I start thinking and envisioning like these badass edits and I want to do them so bad, but I'm like, oh dude, yeah, I need Final Cut Pro. I got to get these plugins. It's definitely a hobby. It takes a lot of time, but I love doing it. It's just, dude, fucking time, dude. Every time you drop a video, you get like 200 comments and it's like, you want to answer them all. You don't want to be a dick, especially when someone actually asks a question. I gotta focus. Because right now, I got a ton of work in front of me. I mean, this is a good problem to have, dude. This stuff's sick. Like, we got carbon fiber. This is like a brand new innovative product. So this is after the Porsche Stinger. There's a Porsche Stinger version. I'll throw it up on the screen right now. It literally is like the same thing. It says Stinger in the same lettering. And the funny thing is, this old guy at the gas station was like changing some trash bags and he like walked up to me. Super nice dude, man. And he was old, dude. He's retired working at freaking Meyer gas station, right? And he was like, he kept staring at my car. I saw him over there. He's like changing the bags. And he finally like wanders over to my trash can. He's like, hey, is that one of those Porsche Panamaras? I was like, dude, I was like, nah, man, but thanks. He's like, well, what is it? It's like Kia Stinger. It's like everyone just throws them off, dude. So now we're really gonna throw them off with the Porsche Stinger lettering. Only reason I brought that up. Bro, I can't believe you live this close to Topgolf and you haven't even, have you been over there yet? Look at that, dude, freaking right there. Check out this view, guys. This is a Fisher's downtown. Oh, dude, is that a 2.0 Accord Sport? Bro, those are like no joke when they're JB4 tuned for a 4-cylinder. Those little are quick. Way to zoom in on it and stay up with me, man. You got the flow of the video going real well. Oh, shit. No, but over there at Topgolf, dude, if this video, which this won't happen, this is just like a random video, the algorithm's probably not gonna pick it up. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'm gonna go over to Topgolf and you know how they have like all the safety nets in front of the, where you hit the balls? I wanna walk over to that thing and just fall in it. Okay. Oh, Adam, come back over here. Okay, guys, so I know this is a hidden spot where all the car enthusiasts meet up in Fishers. Zoe and I actually went up there on that rooftop where those two kids are. Staring at, he's doing a stare back. Do like donuts and shit up there, bro. They always meet up there and do donuts. Me and Zoe were up there one time and this dumbass kid in a truck came up there and just started doing a burnout in the middle of my video. I'm like, nah, man, Fishers is nice, bro. I really like Fishers. Just put the phone and gimbal over the rail and drop it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Long day of work. Now it's time to go home, chill with the family. I got a bunch of content edited. I can throw this together. Until the next one, I'll catch you later. Out.